Hello, ma'am. With the Texas Highway Patrol, the reason for your stop is you failed to signal your lane change. You got your driver's license and insurance with you? You failed to signal your lane change. You got your driver's license and insurance with you? You failed to signal your lane change. You got your driver's license and insurance with you? You failed to signal your lane change. You got your driver's license and insurance with you? What's wrong? How long you been in Texas?
Got here yesterday.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
Can you give me my driver's license?
No, ma'am.
Copy.
You're okay. Okay. Where are you headed to now? Okay. You give me a few minutes, all right?
We have a call on the line.
off Highway 6 would be the first property that has the large ranch on the left, past the railroad tracks and the A&M sign hanging up out front. The first property to the left past that, she advises does not have a front fence line. That's going to be the property. She advised that she has already left location. That's the human property where the elderly female lives.
11-7 clear, it's clear. I'll let you know. I'm turning around and go back. I'll do that.
Yeah, I believe she has first or second driveway.
Okay, ma'am. You okay?
I'm waiting on you. This is your job. I'm waiting on you. What do you want me to
Oh,
do?
you seem very irritated.
I am. I really am. Because I feel like it's crap for what I'm getting a ticket for. I was getting out of your way. You were speeding up, tailing me. So I move over and you stopped me. So yeah, I am a little irritated, but that doesn't stop you from giving me a ticket. So let's continue.
I believe she has first or second driveway.
Okay, ma'am. You okay?
I'm waiting on you. This is your job. I'm waiting on you. What do you want me to do?
Oh, you seem very irritated.
I am. I really am. Because I feel like it's crap for what I'm getting a ticket for. I was getting out of your way. You were speeding up, tailing me. So I move over and you stopped me. So yeah, I am a little irritated, but that doesn't stop you from giving me a ticket. So let's continue.
Are you done?
You asked me what was wrong, and I told you.
Okay.
So now I'm done. Yeah.
Okay. You mind putting out your cigarette, please? If you don't mind.
I'm in my car. Why do I have to put out my cigarette?
Well, you can step on out now.
I don't have to step out of my car.
Step out of the car.
Why am I?
Step out of the car.
No, you don't have the right.
Step out of the car.
You do not have the right to do that.
I do have the right. Now step out or I will remove
I
you.
refuse to talk to you other than to identify myself.
Step out or I will remove you.
I am getting removed for a failure.
Step out or I will remove you. I'm giving you a lawful order. Get out of the car now, or I'm going to remove you.
And I'm calling my lawyer.
I'm going to yank you out of here.
Okay, you're going to yank me out of my car?
Get out.
Okay. All right.
25.
Let's do this.
Yeah, we're going to.
Yeah. Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me. I'm not under arrest. You don't have the right to take
You
me out
are
of my
under
car.
arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
25.
I'm under arrest for what?
25.
For what?
7 County FM 1098. Just
For
north
what?
of 290. Send me another unit. Get out of the car.
Another unit, FM 1098.
Get out of the car now.
Why am I being apprehended? You're trying to give me a ticket
I
for
said
your
get
failure?
out of the car.
Why am I being apprehended? You
I'm
just
giving
opened
you a
my
lawful
car
order.
door. You just
I'm
opened
going to
my car
drag you
door.
out of here.
So you threatening to drag me out of my own car? You threatening to drag me out of my own car?
Get out of the car.
And then you
I will
stun
light
me?
you up. Get out.
Wow. Drag me out of my own car.
Get out of the car.
And then you
I will
stun
light
me?
you up. Get out.
Wow.
Now.
Wow.
Get out of the
Really,
car.
for a failure to signal. You're doing all of this for
Get
a failure
over there.
Right, yeah. Yeah, let's take this to court.
Go ahead.
For a failure to signal. Yep, for a failure to signal.
Get off the phone.
On my school.
Get off the
I'm not on
phone.
the phone. I have a right
Put
to
your
record.
phone
This is
down.
my property. This
Put
is
your
my
phone
property.
down.
Sir?
Put your phone down. Right now. Put your phone down.
What do you think, who do you think has the power to break this system? And what do you think needs to be done? Like, who needs to be uniting together, you know?
Thank you very much. You are really nice and you are powerful. That is a powerful question. What could bring about that change is, as I said, if the football games were interrupted. If these people find a way to not play football until some change come to Valdosta. In fact, I believe that sports perhaps is the only way that real change is going to come here.
Why do you say that?
I say that because right now we are known around the nation as Titletown, USA. But we are not only Titletown in football in terms of producing good football players. We are also Titletown when it comes to unsolved murders and killings, unsolved deaths in the jail. They say they have rats as big as cats in the jail. So perhaps we also have the title for having the biggest rats in any jail. So when they talk about Titletown, I think that football and those who benefit from the game, once the games are boycotted, I don't like the word boycotted, but it may have to be done. So a lot of this change gonna have to come through black folks taking on the initiative along with white people who wanna see change and foster in change. So the bottom line, and bringing it home again, the power of breaking this system is in the hand of the people who can show the people in the state of Georgia that we are not back in the 1800s.
I'm tired of it. This time today. This guy right here is forcibly trying to lock somebody up for breaking up a fight.
Everybody's standing there, they're trying to do nothing.
For a fucking failure to signal, my goodness.
Come over here.
Y'all are interested.
Come
Very
over here now.
You feeling good about
Stand right here.
You feeling good about yourself?
Stand right there.
For a failure to signal, you feel real good
Turn
about
around.
yourself, don't you?
Turn around.
You feel good about yourself, don't
Turn
you?
around now.
What are you?
Put your hands
Why
behind your
am I
back and
being
turn around.
arrested?
Turn around.
Why can't you tell me
I'm
why?
giving you a lawful order. I will tell
Why am I
you.
being arrested?
Turn
why
around.
Won't you tell me that part?
I'm giving you a lawful order. Turn around.
Why will you not tell me
You are
what's
not
going
compliant.
on? I'm not complying because you just pulled me out of my car.
Turn around.
Are you fucking kidding me? This is some bullshit.
Put your hands behind your back.
Because you know this is straight bullshit and you full of shit. Full of straight shit. That's all y'all is, some scary fucking cops. South Carolina got y'all bitch asses scared. That's all it is. Fucking scared of a female.
If you would have just listened.
I was trying to sign the fucking ticket. Whatever.
Stop moving.
Are you fucking serious?
Stop moving.
Oh, I can't wait till we go to court. Ooh, I can't wait. I cannot wait till we go to court. I can't wait. Ooh, I can't wait. You want me to sit down now?
No.
Or you gonna throw me to the floor? That'll make you feel better about yourself?
Knock it off.
No, that'll make you feel better about yourself? That'll make you feel real good, won't it? Pussy ass. Fucking pussy. For a failure to signal, you doing all of this. In little ass Prairie View, Texas. My God, they must want to.
You were getting a warning. Until now, you're going to jail.
No, I'm getting it. For what?
You can come
For
read.
what?
Come read right.
I'm getting a warning for what?
Stay right here.
For what? Well, you
Stay
just
right
pointed
here.
me over there.
I said stay right
Get
here.
your fucking mind right. Let me. Oh, I swear on my life, y'all some pussies. A pussy ass cop for a fucking signal. You
I
gonna
got
take
her
me to
controlled.
jail?
She's in handcuffs.
What a pussy. What a pussy.
816.
What? You about to break my fucking wrist.
Stop moving.
I'm standing still. You
Stand
keep
right
moving
here.
me. God damn it.
Stand right there.
Don't touch me. Fucking pussy for a traffic ticket. You doing all this bullshit? Fucking pussy. I'm here for a traffic ticket.
Come read right over here. This right here says a warning. You started creating the problems.
You asked me what was wrong.
Do you have
I'm trying to
anything
tell
on
you.
your person that's
do
illegal?
it feel like I got anything on me? This a
I'm gonna
fucking
remove
maxi
your, I'm
dress.
gonna remove your glasses.
This a maxi dress.
Come on over
What
here.
have on me? Fucking asshole. For a fuck, you're about to break my wrist. Can you stop? You are about to fucking break my wrist.
Stop moving. Stop now. Stop it!
Stop resisting, ma'am.
If you would stop, and I would tell you.
Oh, fucking traffic
Now
signal.
stop!
You are such a pussy. You are such a pussy. No, you are.
You're yanking around.
Full traffic signal.
You are
Full
yanking
fucking
around.
traffic signal.
When you pull away from me,
Right.
you're
This make you
resisting
feel
arrest.
real good. This make you feel real good, don't it? A female for a
right
traffic
here.
signal.
I got it.
For a traffic signal. I know that make you feel good, officer.
ahead.
Encina.
Take care of yourself.
I know it make you feel real good. You're a real man now. You just slam me, knock my head in the ground. I got.
Stop it!
Stop resisting, ma'am.
If you would stop, and I would tell you.
Oh, fucking traffic
Now
signal.
stop!
You are such a pussy. You are such a pussy.
No,
For a
you
fucking
are.
traffic
You're
signal.
yanking around.
Full traffic signal.
You are
Full
yanking
fucking
around.
traffic signal.
When you pull away from me,
That
you're
just make you
resisting
feel
arrest.
Real good. That make you feel real good. You're a real man now. You just slam me, knock my head in the ground. I got epilepsy, you motherfucker.
Good.
I hope knock my head in the ground. I got epilepsy, you motherfucker.
Good.
I hope,
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 Good.
I hope, knock my head in the ground. I got epilepsy, you motherfucker.
Good.
I hope,
Good.
You should have thought about that before you start resisting. All right. Yeah, this is real good. Real good for a female. Yeah. Y'all strong, ooh.
Go ahead.
Y'all real strong.
I want you to
Y'all
wait
real
right here.
strong.
Wait right
I
here.
can't go nowhere with your fucking knee on my back, duh.
I'm gonna open your door.
Okay.
You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave.
On my soul, y'all, so full of shit. Fucking traffic.
For a warning.
Texas.
For a warning, you're going to
Whatever,
jail
whatever.
for resisting
Whatever.
arrest. Stay-
Fucking traffic.
For a warning.
Texas.
For a warning, you're going to
Whatever,
jail
whatever,
for resisting
whatever,
arrest. Stand up.
whatever. If I could, I
Okay,
can't
roll
even,
over.
I can't even fucking feel my
Tuck
arm.
your knee in.
Under you.
Tuck your knee in.
God damn. I can't.
Listen, you're going to sit up on your butt.
Slam my head into the ground.
Sit
Do
up
not
on your
even
butt.
care about that.
to how he's telling you to get
I
up.
can't even hear.
Yes, you can.
He
Sit
slammed
up on
my
your butt.
fucking head into the ground.
Sit up on your
What
butt.
the hell?
Now stand up.
All of this for a traffic signal. I swear to God. All of this for a traffic signal. Thank you for recording. Thank you for a traffic signal. Slam me into the ground and everything.
No.
Everything. I hope y'all feel
This
good.
officer saw everything.
And I'm so glad to put that you just got on the scene. So whatever. No, you wasn't. You were pulling up. No, you didn't.
No, ma'am.
You didn't see everything
You know
leading
what?
up to it.
I'm not talking to you.
You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to.
2547 county.
Good.
Send me a first available for arrest.
That's any first available record. We have been 298 North US 9 first available record. That's been 298 North US 9.
Yeah, I'm good. She started yanking away, then kicked me, so I took her straight to the
And
ground.
there you got it right there.
So, yeah. Let me see what I'll search it for you if you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
But one thing for sure, it's on video.
Yeah.
You heard?
No. Did you see her when we were right here?
Yeah, I saw because that's our point.
Oh, this is when she pulled with the cuffs.
I know it still. So your ring got you there?
I had the chain. Well, not the chain, but like, you got the two loops. She didn't kick me too hard. She still kicked me though.
You got a mark me. It's not through the skin, but you got a nice scratch. I'm a paramedic, that's why.
I know you are. That's why I'm letting you look.
I'm not Did she do that?
Yeah, that's all from the cuff.
That's from her cuffs, that's not from her skin or her fingernails?
No, all from the cuff.
Right.
So I let go of the cuff, wrapped her around her head, got her down. Can you clean it up? There. I called for it already, if you wouldn't mind. stop. Had a little bit of an incident.
816, show 1 in custody. I have a Texas DL, please, if you can run it. 26459733. 26459733. You run a complete and let's print and hold that for 2547, please.
Get out of the hospital. Yes, sir. Could you dispatch EMS to this location, please? 537, that's clear. Now, what's the G.B.R number? 812. Yeah, traffic. 812, you can show me how the trooper in Waller County just showed up too. Clear. So the numerics will be 3551. Excuse me, 35551 FM 1736. 35551 FM 1736. From elderly female.
Turn around,
Anxiety.
and so forth. You know, tried to de-escalate her, and it wasn't getting anywhere at all. And that, I mean, I'm telling you, I put the taser away. You know, I tried talking to her, calming her down, and that was not working. Well, I know that was when she was in cuffs. I mean, I'm trying to get her detained. Get her just calm down and just, you know, calm her down. Just stop throwing your arms, stop, you know, whatnot. She never swung at me, but she just flailing, stomping around, and all kind of stuff. I said, all right, that's enough. And that's when I detained her. And from there it started going on. She started kicking and hitting. So yeah, and once I got her in the back of the car, that's why I'm calling you now, because no, we're in the middle of a traffic stop, and the traffic stop was not completed. I was trying to get her out over the sign, and you know, and just explain to her what was going on, because I couldn't even get to do what I was telling her. I mean, she just started going, "This is an MF, and you give me an MF and ticket for a lane change." I mean, she just started going. I just stepped back in the car. I was like, "Are you done, ma'am? I need to tell you why and what I'm giving you." And it just kept on going. I mean, I don't have seriously bodily injury, you know, but I was kicked.
I can't hear you. Am I on public property? On church grounds.
Don't touch me, please. Came over. Not touch me. Damn. Your hand behind your back. I can't breathe. 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 I can't breathe.
What do you think? Who do you think has the power to break this system? And what do you think needs to be done? Like, who needs to be uniting together, you know?
Thank you very much. You are really nice and you are powerful. That is a powerful question. What could bring about that change is, as I said, if the football games were interrupted, if these people find a way to not play football until some change comes to Valdosta. In fact, I believe that sports perhaps is the only way that real change is going to come here. I say that because right now we are known around the nation as Titletown, USA. But we are not only Titletown in football in terms of producing good football players. We are also Titletown when it comes to unsolved murders and killings, unsolved deaths in the jail. They say they have rats as big as cats in the jail. So perhaps we also have the title for having the biggest rats in any jail. So when they talk about Titletown, I think that football and those who benefit from the game, once the games are boycotted, I don't like the word boycotted, but it may have to be done. So a lot of this change gonna have to come through black folks taking on the initiative, along with white people who wanna see change and foster in change. So the bottom line, and bringing it home again, the power of breaking this system is in the hand of the people who can show the people in the state of Georgia that we are not back in the 1800s.
I can't breathe. 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 I can't breathe.
What are you, put your hands behind your back and turn around. Turn around.
Why can't you tell me?
I'm giving you a lawful order. I will tell you.
Why am I being arrested?
Turn around.
Why won't you tell me that part?
I'm giving you a lawful order. Turn around.
Why will you not tell me
You are not
what's going
compliant.
on? I'm not complying because you just pulled me out of my car.
Turn around.
Are you fucking kidding me? This is some bullshit.
Put your hands behind your back.
Because you know this is straight bullshit and you full of shit.
What do you think? Who do you think has the power to break this system? And what do you think needs to be done? Like, who needs to be uniting together, you know?
Thank you very much. You are really nice and you are powerful. That is a powerful question. What could bring about that change is, as I said, if the football games were interrupted, if these people find a way to not play football.
I can't breathe. 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 I I can't breathe. 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 I can't breathe.
.5 WBLS, your number one source for R&B.
September 7th, he'll be on WLNY, Channel 10 and Channel 55. You can watch him every day at 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. But here he is going to answer a couple of questions. I have a lot of questions, Judge.
Well, come on with it. If they're legal, I can handle it.
Yes, and I know you can. I want to first start talking about the Sandra Bland case, arrested after a routine traffic stop for not signaling. And my first question is, should a traffic stop escalate to an arrest?
Well,
go ahead.
First of all, in that case, she said she was pulling, or the evidence, and we heard her say she was pulling over to allow the police to go by her.
Right. She didn't think it was for her.
Yeah. And secondly, she's allowed to smoke a cigarette, and he very commanding required her to put her cigarette out.
Right.
Then required her to get out of the car. Well, that is the law if the police request that you get out of the car. However, it is public policy and the color of the law, if you will, that it's only done when you have a reasonable threat.
Right, that's
to your
what I
safety.
thought. Exactly, because he wasn't threatened because he walked away from the car to go write the ticket and came back with the ticket.
And the threat, he certainly didn't feel threatened enough to pull out a taser and curse her and threaten to
light her up.
And then snatch her, and from what I understand, and I think what we may have heard, is he slammed her on the ground.
Yeah.
Pushed her head on the ground, and she began to tell him how she had epilepsy.
Right.
As did Eric Garner when he was telling the police that he couldn't breathe.
Right.
Similar situation. So whatever may have happened in that cell, nothing would have occurred like that. She would still be alive were it not for, in my opinion, the illegal search and seizure and what I believe perhaps was an assault by a police officer.
First.
In the law, we say but for almost equals causation. In other words, Did he cause the crime? Well, whether he caused her death or not, but for his actions, she would still be alive. So that's my opinion on that, and that's the way I look at it, and I hope the prosecutor looks at it in that manner when they look into investigate the officer's stop.
Now, 3 days later, she was found dead in her cell. She allegedly told 2 intake officers that she attempted suicide last year. Shouldn't she have been put on suicide watch, or no? It's just because she says that in intake process?
Absolutely. I'm glad you brought that issue up. They are required to put them on suicide watch, and in some instances, place them in the hospital ward. The jail hospital ward, if you will. There's a certain section of most jails, county jails in particular, that house those with mental illness and other illnesses. And so she should have perhaps been placed there, but certainly on suicide watch. So they were negligent in their care for her in that instance as well.
And, you know, seeing the cell and how big that garbage can was, I'm saying to myself, why must they have a garbage can that big in a cell when they take all their belongings so they don't have anything to throw away? How much do they have to throw away that they need a trash can of that size?
And the bag in the trash can. I mean, if you take the belt from a person because you know you can use that for hanging yourself, you take all the other items within their reach so that they can avoid hanging themselves or killing someone else who was in the cell with them. Why wouldn't you take the bag? If she had sense enough, which we don't know was the case, but if they think she had sense enough to use that bag, if that's their belief, which we're not sure, then why wouldn't they then know that that bag shouldn't be in there? There's another act of negligence, quite frankly. So we really see a lot of negligence by this police force.
Oh, definitely. Because if you look at the cell too, and I'll mention this to Bob Slade this morning, if you really look around, you'll see that there is a rope that the shower curtain is hanging from. So that's another, I think, you know, considering they're saying that she said in the intake process that she had tried to commit suicide last year, there's a big rope right there with the shower curtain hanging from it.
A lot of negligence.
Yeah. So now that they've done the county autopsy, in any way, can that hinder the independent autopsy?
Oh, no, not at all. No, not at all. The independent autopsy is just as it is just as it's stated, independent. No, absolutely not.
Okay.
That's something that the family must pay for in most instances, though. The county won't pay for, or the jail system won't pay for an independent autopsy.
Okay.
Unless there's a questionable issue that the judge may order a independent autopsy for, and that's up to the legal system there. And we've seen that it failed her in that instance, and we've seen in that part of the country. Or I don't want to.
I'll go ahead and do it.
I don't want to pass judgment on that part of Texas, but we've seen a lot going down in that part of Texas of injustice against African Americans.
Just one thing on the police officer involved, the deputy sheriff or whatever he was. What punishment? Right now he's on suspension, but what punishment do you think would be fitting for this gentleman here? Because I mean, he was foul all the way through.
Well, the ultimate punishment, I think, would be assault. Him grabbing her and throwing her to the ground when he had no real threat to his safety.
Right.
And I think some of the evidence may be in what we heard her saying.
Right.
And
he also lied in his report, saying that she kicked him and scratched him, where there's no evidence of that. You didn't see that physically. You didn't see that when he took her out of the car or any of that stuff. He actually also told her to put down your cell phone on the car. And she did that per his orders.
And we have some civil claims there that aren't criminal, but false imprisonment when you detain anyone illegally. That's false imprisonment, and illegal search and seizure, I believe, occurred when he pulled her out of the car and threatened her and handcuffed her, and there was no reasonable suspicion that she committed a crime other than a traffic violation. She had no warrants on her, et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah, and if it were left up to me, I'm probably up to you, Judge. I'd fire his ass. Pardon my language, but I would have to fire him. He would never be a police officer ever, anywhere, ever again.
Yep, and there's the civil claim, the ultimate civil claim, in which I hope that they win, and that would be the death, her death.
Right.
Yeah.